Hello friends, welcome to this channel. So in previous session we saw what is fork and then we saw how we can fork any project, right? Now today we are going to learn how to set up SSH key for GitLab, and this is going to be very easy and very interesting. So today we will learn what is SSH key and how to set up SSH key in GitLab. So let's get started. Here, SSH stands for Secure Shell. So this is what SSH stands for. And here, what is the use? So this is used for authentication, and by setting SSH key, you can connect to GitLab server without using username and password each time. So once you set your SSH key, you can skip using username and password each time to connect to your GitLab server. So let's see what we have to do here. So first we have to run command which is SSH keygen. Now, for this command, we can use application or a client called Putty. Putty is a SSH client that you can use on Windows. Or we can also use Git base. Now, in the earlier session where we learned about Git, we have already added, installed and set up Git, and we have got Git base. So this is my Git base. Now I will say here SSH key gen and hit enter. And here it is asking enter the file in which do you want to save. So let me say I just want to go to my C user and then Mohan, and I will just press enter because I want the same path. Now enter passphrase, empty for no passphrase. So I will just press enter for no passphrase and press enter again, and this is created. So now if I go to my folder, and here you can see this .ssh folder, and in this folder I have got these two files created, right? Now our next step will be in our GitLab account we have to add our SSH key. So this is my GitLab account, and here if you go to your profile here at the top right, and you will find preference. Here click on it, and here you will find an option for SSH key. So click on SSH keys, and here you will add the content of your idrsa.pub file. So if you see here, this is the file. You can open within any text editor like Notepad or VS Code, and you can copy the entire thing. So I will just copy from here and paste it here. So you will see this is now pasted here, and if you want you can give some title here, you can give some name to your key. I will say my window key 1, and then simply say add key, and you can see this is now added here. We have the title here, created on and last used on, and this is the key. This is now you can use to authenticate and log into GitLab server. So if you see this, that means your SSH key is added successfully. In the next session we will see how exactly we can use this SSH key. So this is how you can add SSH key in your GitLab. So I hope this session was very helpful for you, and hope you enjoying this series. If you have any doubt or any question, feel free to write them down in the comment section below. I will try to answer you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching. Bye and have a nice day.